Hi, I just realized that in all of my recent videos, I had the wrong setup for my Blue Yeti mic, and my keyboard typing sound were coming way louder than it should be. I fixed the settings now. It should be a little better, but if anybody's still bothered, please let me know. Let me know in the comments and I'll try to fix it. And anyways, in this video, I'm going to carry on with the blocking function. Let me turn on AI. And obviously, we just have the blocking animation, not the function itself. So if I try to block, I can't block anything. In order to add the new function, I'm going to go to the damage detector. And I'm going to look for the part where the player's taking damage. Take damage. And when we're blocking, we want to add a line where we're not taking the damage. So we look at character control, and we want to check if the player is running certain abilities, like the block. We don't have the blocking ability yet, so let's go create that first. In my state scripts, I'm going to create a block ability. Go in there, Control T. I'm going to copy the format from other ability. Start clean. Rename it. Block. And right now we don't have any special abilities for the block. We're just sitting there with the animation. So I'm not going to add any lines, but I'm going to go to the block folder and create the ability. Block, player, block. I'm going to go to Sophie, the animator, under block. I'm going to add that ability. Okay, I'm going to go back to the code, damage detector, and if the player is running that block ability, we're not going to take any damage. And in this case, we return. If I save and I'm going to play, okay, so now we have the blocking animation. And as we're getting attacked, nothing's happening. But we want to be able to do this only when the player is facing the attacker. So go back to the code. We're going to get the direction. And the direction is that we take the player's position. We compare it to the attacker's position. Attacker position, and we're looking at the vector. If the z is more than 0, means the direction is going to the right side. So in that case, if the character is facing forward, I think this means we're facing the attacker. We'll find out soon enough. And else if the direction is the other way, less than 0, and in this case, the player needs to be facing the left side. So the exclamation mark and return. Now we're taking into consideration the direction of the blocker. Save. I'm going to go back and play. Okay, so now I'm facing the attacker, blocking. Nothing's happening. If I block the other way, I get attacked. So looks like it's working fine. And let me try going from the other side. Blocking from the other side. Oops. Okay. So if you're facing the wrong way, you can't block. You have to be facing the attacker. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.